Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Teenage Who Cooks. Today, I have two very special guests. Kevin L, Mr. Chef Kevin L. He appeared on the Great Teenager Who Cooks cooking competition. And we have Ryan's son. He also participated in the cooking competition. Today we're going to be making pork carnitas. This is a recipe by Kenji López-Alt, and it's very easy, so I don't even know if this counts as a tutorial, but we're going to be making it. So, while Kevin and Ryan are cutting the onions, I'll mention the ingredients. So, we have onions, obviously, 2 oranges, this is a couple bay leaves, and then here we just have 6 pounds of pork shoulder. You should probably use less, but we suspect Ryan eats a lot, so we're using a lot. And then this is garlic. Yeah. So what we're doing now is we're cutting and peeling the onions into quarters.
Why? So it holds together.
You cut it off in the video. Alright guys, so we're seasoning pork with salt. Oh, that's not a lot of salt.
Yeah, you probably need more.
Because we are very clean chefs, we're using gloves. Totally not because Kevin doesn't want to wash his hands. Alright, now we're going to just put the onions in the middle of the pork somewhere. And then we'll just squeeze the juice out of the orange. These have been cut into quarters, the oranges, and I'll just insert the rest of the peel inside. Jack. I am making the flavor more concentrated by leaving more juice inside the peel.
I don't think that's how it works.
You didn't see that?
You're also squirting juice everywhere.
Let's see that. This is gonna be a banger episode of Teenagers. And then we're adding in the bay leaves. I forgot to say as well. Okay.
Nice.
Now we're going to add in some garlic. How much garlic should we put in?
It's like what, 3 cloves?
Can you say you reviewed the video?
Just do 3 cloves. It doesn't matter.
Do 4 cloves.
Okay, do 4 cloves.
Okay. I think we just have had that for a long time.
Jungkook from BTS.
Well, guys, so we're gonna add some cinnamon. This is actually just pork. Is that what cinnamon is?
Yes, it's tree bark.
Why is it so thick? Okay, I'm not gonna add too much cinnamon. I don't like cinnamon.
What are you doing?
Okay, now Ryan's adding in olive oil.
Ooh,
Just adding in around half a cup. Ryan, that's all the olive oil.
Yeah, but it's not.
You should like go around with the olive oil.
Okay, fine.
He's adding. Oh my god, that was it. That was okay. Ryan's adding too much olive oil.
No,
Okay, we're letting Kevin do the next one. We're just doing enough so that it fills up the cracks and crevices in the. Okay, that's not enough.
Suburban middle class white woman.
All right, we forgot to record, but we just put the pork shoulder into the oven. It's at 275 degrees. We're just gonna let it go for 3 hours. In the meantime, we will go shopping for taco ingredients. I think I will vlog it. Yeah. Okay, guys. Ryan, where are we going?
We're going to Ralph's.
Why are we going to Ralph's, Ryan?
Because we were lazy yesterday and didn't buy food.
That's true. So now the pork is cooking. So we're gonna go buy tomatillos and other taco ingredients. We finished shopping, guys. Fog. Okay, so we just came back from shopping for all our ingredients. Kevin, what are we making now?
Onion.
Or making some pickled red onions for our tacos. So Kevin is cutting the onions, peeling them. I will use the big knife. Kevin, are you familiar with the correct onion cutting technique? That's to not really. Oh my god! Sheesh. That was impressive. Let's see how Ryan does it.
I'm not as good as Kevin.
That's true. Kevin's too good.
I'm not gonna be as fast.
You're cutting in the wrong direction.
No, I'm not.
Yes, it is.
What? Look, there's still arches. How's Kevin cutting it?
You go.
You go with along the thing
Why?
because it releases less spicy. Yeah.
Okay, we'll cut along the root then. I don't think it makes a difference.
Yes, it does. It actually does.
It really doesn't.
No, it actually does. Like there's science behind it. I'll find the text. Alright, guys. So we added equal parts of sugar. No, salt. No, water and vinegar to a pot. And then we added a few spoons of sugar. I don't even remember how many spoons. We just added some spoons of sugar. Ryan's currently taking care of the onions. He's putting them into this little jar I found.
That's enough.
Use the rest for the guac.
Yeah. Okay, that's enough, Ryan. Alright guys, so we are going to pour the water and vinegar into the onion. Ryan wants to do over the sink because he's afraid he's going to spill it.
Yeah, that was like the perfect amount.
Perfect. Alright.
Almost perfect.
Do we just put the lid on now?
Yeah.
Alright. Kevin is making guacamole. He's crushing up onions right now. It looks like he's in intense concentration. He gassed Ryan earlier with the guacamole. Ryan, how do you feel?
My eyes are on fire.
Beautiful. Hi Teddy. Hi Teddy. Teddy's so cute. Alright guys, we finished basically making everything. Our pickled onion is pickling. Our guacamole is ready and basically already half eaten because Ryan ate all of it.
Shut up.
And our carnitas is currently it's currently baking. Yeah, so now we're just waiting.
Show videos, Andrew.
What video?
Show them the onion.
Okay. Wait 1 sec.
Okay.
Kevin has a butane torch. He's a pyromaniac.
We're actually burning it.
And then there's the guacamole. You can see it's already basically half gone. Ryan ate almost all of it. And then there's some pickled onions over there.
You have a pan.
Alright guys, so we just took the carnitas out of the oven. It looks amazing. Let me just get a piece out with my fork and show you how easily it's splitting.
What the?
It's really good. So now we're just gonna take it out and basically make pulled pork. And then, so what we're doing right now is we're just taking the pork shoulder out and sort of pressing it with our fork, while Kevin is over here toasting the tortillas, and we're gonna be frying the carnitas in its own fat, just to crispen them up. So right now I'm just gonna crisp up the pork by frying it in this pan. Alright guys, so we finished our tacos. We've made everyone with pulled pork, tortilla, salsa verde, the pickled onions from earlier. This is a super easy recipe and we had a lot of fun making it, guys. So let's taco cheers. Cheers. This is so good. So guys, if you enjoyed this epic crossover episode of Teenager Who Cooks, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.